Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be unboxing these Care Bears from Woobles. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, I actually was going to do a Hello Kitty how-to from Woobles. I'm probably going to try posting that tomorrow if I can. But today I just got this in the mail and I really wanted to show you this, you guys, because they tend to like run out and you never know. So they just came out with a Care Bear collection and I have all of them. You can go check on their website. I'm not like affiliated in any way. I just saw these and I really wanted to get them to show to you. So I know Care Bears is such a huge thing in the nail world. We always love making the nail designs as well as getting the cute charms. So now if you wanted, you can crochet it. So let's check out which Care Bears. Now, I mean, you know what? Care Bears for me was like when it came out. And that's got to be, you know, 30 plus years for me, I feel. So I don't remember much of it. I do remember watching it on TV as a kid. But here we have Cheer Bear, Funshine Bear, and then we have Grumpy Bear. And I don't even remember Grumpy Bear, so... Anyways, we're going to open each pack, see what's inside. Woobles, I feel, is like in the nail world, I would say is more of like an après brand or gelish brand compared to other crochet kits. This whole collection, which in my world I say is only 3 bears, was about like $100. So these kits are normally like around $30 range. For me, I don't think that's okay, especially for a beginner. But their quality is very nice, and obviously they do have, I guess, copyrighted material. So you know, everyone's always going to be looking for Care Bears. They just came out with Lord of the Rings. They had Harry Potter, and then they have a ton more characters that we all know and love. So if you're looking for a beginner kit that is more tuned to the things that we know, and specific characters speaking, this is definitely a company to check out. Their shipping is pretty good. I didn't have to wait too long for these, and their packaging is really nice as well. So let's get into these. I'm going to set these to aside. I am going to be making these, but I do have a list of other crochet kits that I am working on. So if you have any requests specifically for any one of these, you can comment below and then I'll just tack it onto my list. But yeah, like I said, for Woobles, I am going to be doing a Hello Kitty. Oh my gosh, a Hello Kitty. Alright, all materials included for what you need. Again, this is a Learn to Crochet kit for beginners. They don't come with paper instructions. They come with online instructions. You can download their PDFs and then print it somewhere, I guess. I'm pretty old school, so I like to have it on paper. But as long as I have a PDF, I guess, these days we just use our devices to show the PDF, so I guess that's not so bad. Yeah, so it includes everything you need. Yarn step-by-step videos, which is attainable through a QC, either QC or QRC. Geez, I forget, and it's late, so my mind's not really thinking properly at the moment. But you can access through a QRC code or QC code. Geez Louise. There's a pre-started piece. It's usually the circle, which I think is like something you should learn. You don't have to use that circle. The instructions even say if you use the circle, skip to this number instruction. If you're not using the circle, follow this number instructions, so that's good. Comes with a 4mm crochet hook, stuffing, plastic eyes, yarn needle, and online instructions. Missed that fine print. Okay. So it tells you roughly how much, how big this is going to be. So it's going to be 4.5 inches squared. So let's open this up. I love the feel of their packaging too. It's very kind of matte. It's like a matte finish. Alright, so in here, it's a very important piece. VIP. What is this now? Oh, this is the belly charm that you're going to put in the belly, and it has the safety locks to screw on there. Not going to do it right now, but we will save this for later. I normally don't use these, but since these are specific to the character and I usually just try to sew it on, especially the eyes, but I'm just going to use the safety everything. Here's white. They have their own special yarn. It's not really yarn. This feels like a cotton maybe. And it's kind of like weaved into some fabric and then rolled into yarn. So I like that. It's less frizzy, so you won't get the little frays of strands. The strands also will cause you to kind of get your hook stuck in it sometimes, so it's nice that they have their own yarn like that. Here's another color. Here's the yellow. We've got some mustardy color here. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm assuming the other ones is going to come with their own color hook. Yeah, they always customize their hooks for some of the special kits. So how cute is this? And I love green, but I also love yellow, and I love this hook. I mean, I personally just like to have the metal without the ergonomic rubber stopper kind of. But yeah, this is a real cute one. The stuffing is always nice and soft. I feel from any kit that you end up using. Okay, just making sure everything's out of there. And then this is the case that's going to have all the extra stuff. Oh, look, I don't even want to ruin their little sticker. I hope it's reusable. I'm going to find out. Well, I guess it's not, because it's really on there. Yeah, just don't press it closed. I don't like that there's a hole here, though. Like, I get it, but when you do this and you're not knowing, you can, like, remove the contents from there. Alright, so here's the card. This is what you're going to be creating. And on the other side, we have the QRC code. I guess it's QRC code, and then the website. Obviously, I'm covering up the password, but then it has all the other information that you need if you need extra help. So I think that's great. Have I ever watched this step-by-step? No. It kind of like, it's strange because a lot of my viewers like to see the videos that I make, but for me personally, I just want the paper. But everybody has their preference, so. Alright, so here's the embroidery, here's the black piece to do the mouth, I guess. And then we have all the little accessory pieces. We have the eyes, an extra one in case you lose it. And then this is an actual metal tapestry needle. It's not as pointy as a real needle, but be mindful, like these pieces are a choking hazard, especially this, so keep it away from all your little loved ones that might possibly want to consume that, either intentionally or by accident. It happens. Yes, so that's everything you'll need. So when I get to this kit, we will see how it works out in my experience with other characters that I've posted on my channel. the materials given is more than enough, so that's always good too. Okay, so we have that. We're going to put this back into our bag, and I'm going to open up the other two and just check out the different colors they have. It's all fairly similar. Oh, what I didn't show you is the piece that they already started, which is the magic ring, as they call it, in Amigurumi. And they also give you 3 markers, which is very helpful. I do suggest getting more of these markers. They sell them in packs online or at a hobby store. They definitely help out in any project. The more the merrier. So try to get like at least a little pack of them, and I'll definitely show you why when we get to the project itself, because sometimes they have repetitive rows that you'll have to keep track of, and it's hard to keep track of it sometimes, especially if you're like a stop and go kind of a person. All right, so now we're going to check Cheer Bear. It's the same things they said in the other one. They have everything that you need to do the project. So this time I'm just going to show the yarn or the contacts within, but I'm not going to open up the little envelopes. Ooh, look at this color. Then we have the same. Well, let's open this one because this one's going to be different. So this one should be the rainbow here. And this piece, I mean, the quality of this piece is just pretty iffy. Like doing nails, I would want to coat this with a clear top coat or resin just to make sure that design doesn't get scuffed off, or washed off, because sometimes, we wash these dolls we make. Pretty colors. Again, here is the, and I save these. I've been saving all of my markers to where I have this many now. I'm gonna have to get a bigger baggie because they're not gonna all fit in here, but that's great. The more the merrier, like I said. Oh my gosh, look at this one. This one is matching to, oh, and it even says it. So I guess it did say in the other one as well. But I feel like it's the same bears. It's just obviously the belly's different, the color's different, but the same facial expressions. And then we have the stuffing in there, and then we have the envelope of instructions. So very cute. I love the hooks. I keep all the hooks, of course, from all the kits, so I have different ones, and Woobles ones are always cute. I didn't even get to do any of the characters from the advent calendar, but they had really cute Christmas. They had a really cute Christmas crochet hook. All right, last one here is Grumpy Bear. All right, same information. Okay, this time we have the white yarn. We have this kind of periwinkles blue or some sort of blue. We have another maybe royal blue, just regular blue. I don't know, I'm not a good shade person, so do they even say the colors? They might in the instructions. But anyway, here's the beginning magic ring with the markers. We have our little belly charm thing. Oh, look at that. It's raining with the heart. Okay. We have the hook. Oh, Grumpy Bear. Oh, you know what? Different facial expressions, because this one has grumpy expressions. Look how cute that is. So cute. And then the envelope. Oh no, is he mad? Oh look, he's still grumpy. Yep. So that is the collection, you guys. Let me know what you think about it. I'll leave the links in the description box below if you would like to go onto Woobles and check out the new collection. You might get sucked down the rabbit hole because there are a ton of other characters that again are like trademarked or copywritten, so you could find a lot of characters that you might want to get. But yeah, so I will be doing these like I said, but I'm just going to be finishing up the list that I have. It's such a long list, I just don't even know, but luckily I'm here for indefinitely to eventually show you guys all the kits that I have. So at any rate, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.